What's up guys, Tool Guy Y here, and today we're going to be removing a headlight assembly on a 2016 Ford Edge. Preliminary steps you have to do is remove the bumper. If you guys haven't removed the bumper yet, or you guys don't know how, please check out my other video, link in the description below. There's basically two 10mm fasteners that hold the headlight assembly in place. There's also one Phillips plastic clip that you need to remove. These clips are very easy to remove. These clips are made of two pieces. The middle part is a Phillips screw, in which you remove and bring it up, and once it's high enough, you remove the whole clip with a trim panel tool. After that, remove the two 10mm bolts holding the headlight assembly in place. There is going to be one main harness or connector, whatever you want to call it, in the back. Just push down the tab and pull it out. Once all the fasteners are removed, firmly grip the headlight assembly and pull it up. There is a little clip that holds it down at the bottom. Once you pull it up, pull it out towards you, and you guys are good to go. Congrats, you now know how to remove a headlight assembly on a 2016 Ford Edge. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tour review videos. Also, check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY, where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!